What's going on, YouTube? Just want to share my latest pickups with you guys. Like I said, the rebuild is real. Starting off with a custom Ninja Force Scarlet. So we can get a better look at her. Get out this light. Shebang. Slice. Let's see if we can get a better focus. There we go. Start that over. Custom Ninja Force Scarlet. Shebang. Slice. Zarana. Carla Dot Greer. Jinx. And Pythona. Like I said, I just want to share a quick glimpse of most of these. Of course, I did reviews for, except Carla and Pythona. And I'm going to do a review of this custom Ninja Force Scarlet, which is pretty sweet. So there you have it real quick. Some latest pickups. Like I said, the rebuild is real. Trying to get this together. Excuse the iron board backdrop, but I'm still trying to get the new room together. Until then, talk to you guys later. Peace.